Mobilzer allow anyone to create mobile apps for their business and start selling online. We will see how to create a free account, upload products, add the business info, and customizing the look and feel of your app. In this page, you have to fill up all those basic information in order for you to create an account with us. We will then send you a verification email with a link. You have to click on that link, and then we will verify that your email is valid and we will create your account for you. And just like that, I've created an account, and now I'm asked to go to my inbox, check my email or my spam, and then click on the link that was sent to me from Mobilzer. Clicked on the link that was sent to me on my email to verify my account, and now I am on this page where the application setup just started. So this is the first page that you will see when you are about to create your account. On this page, you have to fill up your basic information about your business, some personal information as well, and you have to select few options about the store type that you have, the languages that you want to support, and the subdomain that will show up on the links associated with your mobile application. So let's go ahead and create our application, and I will guide you through step by step so that we create a shop and start adding products to it. So first of all, there are few basic types of a store. Right now, I'm going to create an e-commerce store and we'll pick up some of the uh, other options as we go related to the e-commerce, like the shipping, payments, stuff like that. And just like that, I now have an application ready for me to fill up more data in it and add products, customize my look and feel, and then also I can customize the settings, payments, shipping, and etc. I'm going to follow this wizard in order for me to complete the full application information needed for me to release the application into my customers. So the first step is to complete the company related information. When you click in there, what you can see is an app icon which will be displayed on your application, some basic information about your app, your contact information, like your mobile number, social media, then some personal contact numbers if you want to add that into your store. Also, you can select your business hours, and we're going to do all of that now. So I'm not going to change the application name for now, but you can customize it and do whatever you want with it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font that is in here. I'm going to make it bolder. I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to add some basic information on the About Us section. I'm gonna now add the location of my business. You can search for a location here, or you can actually use this map and drop a pin wherever the location you want to add. So let's go ahead and add some random location. In this section, you can add contact numbers of staff in your organization so that people will see it and can contact them directly if you want to. So let's go ahead and add one. In this section, you're asked to state your business hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a Monday to Saturday schedule, and then I will set the times for each day according to my schedule. You have an option here to copy this day, Monday, schedule to all other days. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. With that, after saving, now I have an app with most of the information filled up. I just want to do one more thing here. I'm going to change the icon here and add a customized icon. I'm going to hit save. And with that, my application is now ready in terms of like company information. So now that we have done editing the company information, it is time for us to go back into our dashboard and look at the next step. You can see here that it says appearance, and if you click here, what you can see are the general styles of your application, the look and feel, the colors of and fonts, the sizes of the fonts, and some basic icons changes that you can do here. You can also add banners, and those banners are totally optional, but if you add them, if you choose to add them, they will appear at the top of your home page on your mobile application. Let's focus on editing the component styles allow you to edit the look and feel of your application so that it reflects the brand that you have. So let's go ahead and edit the colors, the fonts, and the icons of your app. I'm going to start ahead with editing the main color that will appear in the most surface area of my app. I'm going to add a cart icon that is custom to my brand. And I'm also going to customize the WhatsApp floating icon. So the WhatsApp floating icon is an icon that appears on top of your app that allows customers to contact you via WhatsApp for Business directly. So now we are at the categories and subcategories look and feel. So first of all, you can have multiple ways to display categories and subcategories into your app. So let's take a look at the basic configuration you can have here. So you can have a category per horizontal item. You can have two side-by-side categories appearing in a shape like this one. You can have more than that. It all comes down to your taste and how you want to present the categories and the products to your customers. So I'm going to go ahead and keep the default value here, but you can go and change everything that is related to the category list. I'm not going to edit the subcategories, but I'm going to go with the default view here. Let me show you how it will look like. So the subcategory can be a tab based, or it can be a tree hierarchical based. I'm going to keep it to the default normal style, I'm gonna edit this one for now. Add the product list. So in here, you can customize how the product card will look like. You can have an add to cart button directly on the product card when the people view the products as a list. You can also change how many products will be shown side by side on your homepage. The add to cart button is the button that allows people to add items into their cart. And I'm gonna leave those all to the default values. Lastly, the product details is when the people click onto the product and they want to read more details about it. This is where you can customize the color, fonts, and the price font color as well. I'm gonna go ahead and change the price font color so that it matches my brand. After doing all of that, now it's time to save. So I'm gonna hit submit. And now everything is saved into my ad configuration. Now that everything is saved, I'm gonna go back to the dashboard and see what's next in my to-do list. So now it's time to edit the settings. And this includes the configuration of the currencies, the email notification that I get when an order is created, the translation, the features that I enable, payment method, shipping, and taxes. You can see here, you can select the currency that will be used mainly in your mobile apps. So this is the currency that will people pay with. Inside here, there are other details related to how you get your notifications around new orders and also what kind of attributes you want in each of your products. The features section allows you to toggle on and off checkout information and also a feature we call favorite. And this is where people want to add items to their favorite or wish lists, and we can activate or deactivate that feature upon your wish. On the checkout information, you can also change the contact email. You can toggle it off so that you will not collect this information from your customers. You can also toggle off the phone number and the address postal code of your checkout page. The next tab is translation. And now you can edit and add multiple languages to your application, and you can edit all the translations related to the words appearing on your application. You can also set a default language in here. Payment methods that we provide, you can configure here. And you can add a fixed fee if a customer selects to pay with that payment method. You can activate and deactivate a payment method here as well. The shipping tab allows you to configure the shipping prices, the cities you provide the shipping to, and everything related to the weight-based shipping and also fixed-based shipping. You can add city groups in here, or you can select the cities that you want to support the shipping to. Lastly, the taxes tab allows you to activate or deactivate the taxes in your application. If you activate the taxes, you need to fill in the tax value, tax number, and optionally upload a certificate if you have one. So now that we're done with the settings, let's go back and look at the dashboard and see what's next for us. Adding a category is the next item on our list. If you click there, you can see that you have an empty category list and you need to add the first category for your application. I'm gonna call this category a collection or a shopping collection. I'm gonna select a photo for it. I'm gonna add a basic description to it. I'm gonna set it as active and save. And with that, we have our first category that will be shown to our customers.
Now, let's go back to the dashboard and see what is next on our list. You can see here the last step that we need to do is start adding our products, and that's what I'm going to do next. So in here, I have an empty list of products. Now it's time to add my first product to the list. I'm going to select the category that I've just created, give a name to my product, add the price and other attributes, and then select a photo or multiple photos, and then click Save. So now, my first product is added to the list, and I can now go to the dashboard and see that I've completed the task to publish my app, and my app is now ready for me to view it for the first time. Let's go ahead and click Open App. So here's my app completed with the first category that I've added, and my product that I've added, which I can add to the cart and check out directly from here. If you go back to the home page, you can see that I have this little icon here. If I click on there, you will see your business information as we set it up